I had a fair share of professional photo shoots when I was younger, from creative to the corporate, and I had to put AI to the test to see if it can live up to the hype of creating realistic, good, or professional photos. I tested 6 such tools which promise to create images of yourself. I ranked them on the results I got, on the price, and also I looked into their data protection and privacy. So we will start with what you should definitely avoid, and then we will move to the really good stuff. The first one up is generated.photos. I had to buy it to try it. If these results are not going to haunt you, it definitely haunted me, so definitely steer away from that. To pay $19.99 a month to try it, you don't really still get images. You get images with watermark, and for every image that you actually want to download as HD with no watermark, you need to pay, drum rolls, $10.80.
No! God, please, no! No!
And on top of that, every company I looked at had a dedicated area in their privacy policy about children. And this one was the only one which had no information about children. The second one is Lensa AI by Prisma Labs. And I tried this one a while ago when there was the whole hype, and I did pay for it and then I cancelled. You probably heard of it. So it's very sexualized for women. The results were not good. Maybe the model got better right now because it is trained on Stable Diffusion. You don't really get like realistic images. It's more like a cartoonish avatar, and they do say that it's AI avatar. And it's also a little bit interesting because their marketing seems to be tailored to the younger audience, but in their privacy policy it says that you should be 18-year-old to use it. Maybe I will get conflicting opinions on this one. On the third place on my list is RunwayML. You can train AI models, and I got absolutely horrible results from the basic training. It was really complicated to prompt to actually get something more decent. You can't train for free an AI model here. You have to get a subscription, which is $35 a month. Definitely recommend using it for image to video, but maybe not for training portraits. By the way, I also tried to train it on our bunny because we have model dedicated to animals. It was okay, but not something that I would be able to actually use it. The output you get depends on the images that you provide, but I still provided the same images as with the next tools where I got actually really awesome results. So that's that. And let me know in the comments if you already tested some of these and what was your experience. I'm going to also use and show you Vibes prompting method whenever I have to prompt. Vibes stands for vision, inspiration, backdrop, emotion, and skill. For vision, you need to describe your overall subject matter, what is at the center of your image. Inspiration is basically the stylistic. What do you want to see, like retro, futuristic, cyberpunk? Backdrop includes details what you would like to see in a background on what type of environment. Emotion indicates if it's cheerful, is it sad, is it dramatic, cinematic. For skill, think about medium. Is it a photograph? Is it illustration? Is it oil painting? And then you combine all this and you get this one simple prompt which could go as crazy as your imagination. This is one of the methods that we are going to teach at AI and ChatGPT for Everyone Core Eyes course starting August 21st. So if you find this useful, you can check out Gotta Go code and get 10% off, and I hope I will see some of you there. The fourth one is this app called Remini, and I was getting ads about it. I went into this completely skeptical. I thought it's going to be like Lensa AI, but actually it was good. It is very like polished, ideal type of look. And I don't know if it's only on females like that. Overall, I think some images do look like me, just better version and with much more makeup. And the price is $11.99 a week. In a year, you would pay $623.48 for generating AI images. To me, it seems quite expensive. On the fifth place, I have LeonardoAI. I love them, and you can actually train your own model for free here. but only one. The results I was getting were pretty good. It was struggling with eyes, so that's definitely some issue. To get good results, you do need to know a bit of a prompting, so use Vibe's method. You can add negative prompt, but also they have prompt magic, which helps you with prompts. They have this new feature, photoreal. Unfortunately, you can't use it on specific models. It's just on the default model. The last one on this list is Headshot Pro, which is my number one. I approach all these tools with a fair share of skepticism, but this one really surprised me. Our team at SynthMind sponsored the whole team photo shoot, so we all got it. So I got 120 pictures to choose from. For $29 per shoot, you get 40 headshots and one different style. So I'm not sure value for how much you get, but in our case, when we bought team membership with 120 images, I was able to choose quite a few, which I really liked. The results that you get automatically deleted after 30 days, and they do use Stability AI to generate this. In some cases, it had funny results, and for the tool, which doesn't really sexualize you that much and makes you look like a normal person without that much makeup and polished skin and professional, I would definitely recommend this one. So this was image generation tools, but I did something crazy. In this video, I analyzed and tested 432 AI writing tools. Definitely recommend you to watch that video to learn about some gems that I found. And in that video, you can also download the whole list of all the AI tools and my analysis for free.